Mr. Nawdeep Singh Inderjeet, the founder of Real Assets Integrated Industrial Impact Investment Vertical Fund, IIIIV Fund. We will acquire and own financial services, invest to build infrastructure, factories, and processing plants. Currently, we are raising $1.1 trillion Phase 1 to build a cutting-edge, vertically integrated global financial services infrastructure. Same model can be replicated on other planets. This flowchart will make it easy for you to understand everything under our umbrella, such as banks, fund of funds, insurance, and real-world assets. Our multiple sectors of agriculture and agro-industrial will help you have a clearer view. You can also have an understanding of our various income streams, which is a conservative calculation. This list provides a comprehensive overview of the green products we manufacture, sourced from industries we actively decarbonize, ensuring sustainability and environmental responsibility, best of the best to save the planet. To make this vision a reality, various industries must be seamlessly interconnected, enabling us to drive innovation, enhance efficiency, and create a sustainable, thriving future for humanity.
The gains is more than 11x times because we are verticals, as we are involved in every stage, from primary natural resource extraction to secondary processing, advanced manufacturing of all various building materials, and owning logistic fleets, lowering costs by leveraging AI and financial services. What makes us even more exceptional is our long-term commitment to asset maintenance, recycling and reprocessing, decentralized asset organization, DAO, and blockchain connected. This ensures sustainability and value retention for many decades, making us an ultra-rare global opportunity.
Our global location, financial services, top 20 financial cities. Manufacturing, USA, UK, India, UAE, GCC, Saudi Arabia, Italy, Ukraine, and Africa. Agriculture, USA, Brazil, Argentina, Africa, Europe, Ukraine, India, Australia, Southeast Asia.
All of our products will meet top-grade standards comparable to ASTM and equivalent certifications. We are assembling the world's largest team of technical industrial consultants in global history, uniting the brightest minds in industrial construction and deep tech innovation. We follow strict project management rules for our success, such as UK RIBA Plan of Work and US the American Institute of Architects, AIA. We have made significant investments in IP and are fully engineered for launch, with our intellectual property currently valued at over $500 million. Our expertise spans investment banking, insurance, engineering, mining, manufacturing, agriculture, agro-industrial, space tech, and global real estate development. Hello everyone, I am Mr. Nawdeep. Remember when they said the world is in danger? I took it seriously. I asked myself, how can I build an organization that provides all the essentials for human survival? The reality is, sustaining humanity requires massive infrastructure, innovation, and long-term vision. It took us 13 years with over 1,000 consultants to design, engineer, and refine every aspect of our model, with over 350 meticulously simulated plans, ensuring efficiency, sustainability, and scalability. Now let me and my team present to you IIIIV Fund CAPEX distribution. This breakdown will provide clarity on how our capital investments are strategically allocated across key sectors, ensuring maximum impact, long-term value creation, and a future-proof ecosystem. As envisioned by the Galactic Federation, humanity is entering a golden age where poverty and suffering will be eradicated. Revolutionary technologies will transform everyday life. Abundance in food, clothing, shelter, and advanced innovations will uplift global living standards. Space travel will become a reality, enabling humanity to explore and settle on other planets. Our mission is to create a glorious future for humanity, an organization that truly cares, provides, and empowers.
The Phase 1, $1.1 trillion will be allocated and spread into Financial Services Investment Advisor and Alternative Investment Fund, $11 billion, to be positioned into 14 global locations, $456.9 billion, merger and acquisition of banks and asset management and insurance fund. However, for our investment banking operations, all services will be subcontracted to trusted third-party service providers, ensuring efficiency, expertise, and seamless execution. This will cover institutional banking and custodian solutions, open banking and fintech, alternative investment funds, asset management, smart contracts and blockchain, reinsurance, and insurtech. $101.9 billion for merger and acquisition of business services. Buying global existing companies that facilitates the operations such as software as a service, HR, acquiring 20 engineering services, acquiring EPC and project management companies, equipment rental company, existing farms, distribution centers, fuel stations, ports, and many others.
$512.6 billion for merger and acquisition for EPC studies, engineering and surveys, feasibility studies, plus investment equity into projects to acquire land.
$102.3 billion to acquire cargo aviation, shipping carriers, tanker Panamax and Handymax, heavy equipment fleets for infrastructure and construction.
$40 billion private equity, real estate, REIT portfolio to invest into global shovel-ready commercial real estate to provide liquidity and appreciate capital on investment already identified.
Phase 1 is project preparation, engineering, acquisitioning of critical assets and land, financial stability, putting everything in place so as we can secure all resources and leverage. Phase 2 is acceleration, execution, construction, erection, procurement, and commissioning, moving things to make the vision a reality.
Phase 2, $205.4 billion for mining 26 critical natural resources,
such as iron ore to HBI, bauxite to alumina concentrate, copper to copper cathode, zinc to zinc concentrate, limestone and dolomite, crude oil, natural gas petrochemical refinery, minerals for agriculture industry, potash, phosphate, borate, magnesite, minerals for energy industry, titanium, lithium, concentrates, uranium to nuclear reactors, silica sand to float glass, rare earth, and others. We are decarbonizing all mining operations where it will be powered by 883 megawatts of green energy.
$1.1 trillion to invest into downstream green industrialization sector into 90-plus factories manufacturing 2,000-plus building materials. Investment in metallurgy and steel manufacturing, various operating steel mills that produce a range of products, including hot-rolled coils, cold-rolled sheets, and rebar extrusions. Involved in steel fabrication for the pre-engineered building, PEB industry, and ship fabrication through a specialized shipyard. Additionally, manufacturing a diverse array of steel products such as fencing, wires, roofing sheets and panels, boilers, pipelines, storage tanks, bridges, transmission towers, railway tracks, automotive components, and heavy machinery parts. Foundry production for industrial applications, including valves, pumps, engine blocks, gears, bearings, pipes, flanges, and customized metal components. Additive manufacturing and 3D printing for complex engine parts, propellers, valves, and rocket parts. Steel hot dip galvanizing plant, powder coating and painting stations. Smelting and refining of copper cathodes to manufacture electrical wires, cables, transformers, plumbing pipes, heat exchangers, and industrial electrical components. Investing in stainless steel mill to manufacture a wide range of industrial products, including pipes, components, fittings, sheets, coils, bars, and specialized alloys for applications in construction, automotive, aerospace, energy, food processing, chemical industries, and heavy machinery manufacturing. Smelting and extruding aluminum into rolled coils, pipes, and structural profiles for prefabricated frames, furniture, and frames. Refining and processing of petrochemicals, petroleum products, and natural gas, including fuels, lubricants, polymers, specialty chemicals, and regasification plant outputs such as LNG, LPG, hydrogen, and other industrial gases for energy and manufacturing applications. Production of polymers such as LDPE and HDPE for applications in pipe manufacturing, injection molding, and plastic extrusion, including packaging materials, irrigation and construction components, and industrial-grade plastic products. Manufacturing of all construction materials such as cement, concrete blocks, paint, tiles, and furnitures and shelves. manufacturing of agrochemicals including NPK fertilizers, urea, ammonium-based compounds, micronutrients, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, plant growth regulators, and soil conditioners for enhanced agricultural productivity.
Manufacturing of veterinary pharmaceuticals, manufacturing of antibiotics and antiparasitics to vaccines and specialty drugs for managing chronic conditions in pets, livestock, and wildlife.
We are also committed to investing in pharmaceutical manufacturing, including OTC products, biotechnology, life sciences, and the development of healthcare center facilities.
Manufacturing of greenhouse building materials.
Manufacturing of automobiles such as trucks, containers, trailers, farming machinery such as tractors, planters, harvesters, air tractors, and drones, with possibility to manufacture emergency and defense vehicles.
Manufacturing of solar semiconductor components, foundation piles, and transmission systems. Manufacturing all biogas materials such as digesters, gas tanks, pipes, storages.
Phase 2. 826.7 billion powered by green energy, investment into sustainable precision agriculture, with capacity to develop 250,000 hectares annually, over 30 global locations, and development of 30-plus agro-industrial factories globally. We cover everything such as tissue culture for plant cell multiplication, greenhouse hardening, plant nursery management, seed bioengineering, and advanced seed breeding techniques.
We invest in agricultural and irrigation engineering for various irrigation systems, including pivots, drip irrigation, hose reels, and sprinklers. We acquire land for the development of essential infrastructure such as dams, water treatment plants, roads, fuel storage facilities, warehouses, and ports to ensure efficient water management, agricultural productivity, and seamless logistics.
We invest in the cultivation of diverse grains, fruits, vegetables, and spices while integrating sustainable agroforestry practices. Additionally, we provide essential infrastructure to support small community farmers.
We also invest in the development of advanced storage infrastructure, including bulk silos and dry warehouses, to ensure efficient post-harvest management, reduce losses, and maintain the quality of agricultural produce. These facilities support both small community farmers and large-scale agro-industrial operations, enhancing food security and supply chain efficiency. Managing all the operations via CCTV and satellite surveillance systems, developing autonomous vehicles for day-to-day management, including planting and harvesting.
We invest in agro-industrial plants along with essential infrastructure, including ports, roads, railways, storages, treatment plant, and power plants.
Our focus spans a wide range of processing facilities such as sugar mills, oleochemical plants, flour mills, feed mills, and fruit processing units. Additionally, we support sustainable paper production, coffee and chocolate manufacturing, soft drink and juice processing, spice dehydration, and integrated livestock dairy production, including milk, cheese, and butter. Our investments also extend to edible oil refineries, starch and glucose processing, bioethanol and biogas plants, meat and seafood processing, cold storage and logistics hubs, vegetable canning and freezing, essential oil extraction, and fiber processing for textiles and bioplastics.
We invest in integrated livestock farming, covering the entire value chain from rearing parent stocks, hatcheries, and artificial insemination to large-scale farming, EEG and dairy and meat production, and cold storage facilities. Our approach ensures efficiency, sustainability, and high-quality output across the livestock industry. $12 billion investment into satellite and communication 6G. This will enable us to manufacture in-house satellites and rockets to launch in the orbit. We will also develop critical terrestrial infrastructure for telecommunications, surveillance, and for in-space data centers. $275 million for global commercial real estate investments, mainly warehousing and retail real estates. $26 billion for infrastructure, roads, and terminals. We are assembling the largest industrial consultants, advisors, and engineers. bringing together unparalleled expertise across multiple sectors. Our organization is fully engineered, with 11 years of dedicated research and development invested in design and engineering, intellectual property policies and regulatory frameworks, programming interfaces and automation, designing seamless digital integrations for industrial efficiency, material selection and advanced manufacturing, financial engineering and capital structuring. Why are we doing this? As a humanitarian, we aim to be a leading provider, driven by purpose and innovation. The planet has an expiry date. As the founder, I believe we are here on an adventure. A good adventurer requires food and proper gear, and that is what we are going to secure for you on land and on space, contributing meaningfully to food banks and advancing the future of space civilization. At IIIIV Fund, we are building a solid infrastructure that will pave the pathway for you by building green industrial factories, reducing significant waste, agricultural development with small farming communities, and contribute for the well-being of everyone. We will take care of you. Comprehensive benefits of our investment approach: enhanced financial services, improved transparency and governance lead to lower transaction fees and faster underwriting of loans, diverse liquidity, access to a broad spectrum of assets, including real estate and commodities, ensuring financial stability, scalability and reinvestment, ability to reinvest profits for continuous growth and expansion, blockchain and smart contracts, enabling traceability, transparency, and secure transactions across the supply chain, industrial decarbonization and carbon credits, reducing emissions and generating carbon credits for a sustainable future, lower intermediary fees in commodity trading, minimizing transaction costs and increasing efficiency in commodity exchanges, AI and automation in factories, deployment of smart manufacturing systems, robotics, and AI-driven production monitoring, waste-to-energy and circular economy, recycling of industrial waste into energy, fertilizers, and reusable materials, blockchain and supply chain, transparency, digital tracking of raw materials, inventory, and finished goods for increased efficiency and reduced fraud, real-time logistics management, optimized inventory tracking and streamlined operations with digitalized supply chains, fleet operations and cost efficiency, faster decision-making and reduced operating costs through in-house fleet management. Sustainable agriculture, reduced chemical use, promoting organic farming and making organic products more affordable. Premium commodity production, ensuring high-quality agricultural, industrial, and processed goods. Material and resource tracking. Full traceability of all building, agricultural, and consumable materials. Effective project management, strengthening execution, monitoring, and delivery of large-scale industrial and agricultural projects. Essential goods and services provider, ensuring stable access to food, essential services, and critical commodities for markets and communities. Job creation and economic growth, generating employment opportunities and driving local and national economic development. Resilient infrastructure development, investing in ports, roads, railways, power plants, and water facilities to support long-term growth. Food security and supply chain stability, enhancing food production and distribution networks to prevent shortages. Integration of renewable energy, utilizing solar, wind, and bioenergy to power industrial operations and reduce carbon footprints. Advanced R&D and innovation, driving technological advancements in agriculture, food processing, and industrial production, increased export capabilities, strengthening trade relationships, and boosting export potential through high-quality products. Resilient community development, providing essential infrastructure and resources to empower smallholder farmers and local businesses. Climate adaptation and risk mitigation, implementing sustainable practices to enhance resilience against climate change. Circular economy and waste reduction, maximizing resource efficiency and minimizing waste through integrated recycling and upcycling strategies. This investment approach not only strengthens economic performance but also ensures long-term sustainability, environmental responsibility, and global competitiveness. We are an organization that will do good for everyone and protect everyone and help everyone to advance. I hope we get to serve you with the best. Thank you.